quick view of some of the lemons on one of our lemon trees. We've counted up to 100 lemons on this tree. We've already picked 25 from it. You can see they're going all the way along. Grapefruit tree. Grapefruits on it, of course. Plenty of flowers. Next year's crop. Lots and lots of flowers. Close up of some of the lemons on this lemon bush, lemon tree. We've picked 35 already from it. You can see even over the back there, all the way up. Bunches of lemons. And some mandarins. Another couple down there. These are some of our broad beans. Look at the size of them. All the way up. All this bush here, we planted 2 seeds for all this. We're going to get thousands of them. Heaps and heaps and heaps. Got a set of bushes there. And another set over here. The bushes are over 4 feet tall. Absolutely chock-a-block full of beans. This is our crop of faba beans this year. You can see how decent they are. They won't be long before they're picked. All the way up the bush. There's thousands of them. Over on the bushes on the other side, the size of them, they're really starting to fill out with the beans in them now. Won't be too long before some of these are picked. Over the top, inside. Everywhere, heaps of them. Believe it or not, all that bush that you can see there was 2 beans that were planted. Actually 2 seeds. The same on the other side. So all of that and all of that is from 4 seeds. Hard to believe, but it's true.